Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? How's it hanging? This is going to be a food review. In my hands I do have the Cheez Doodles Stilton, which is another sort of cheese. I did have the Pecorinos way back. I'm gonna try these out. In a way, I do love Cheez Doodles. Well, it's not bad at all. It's a little bit more salty than the ordinary one, but I think it's good. Of course, I always recommend the Cheez Doodles. So comment below what you think. You can like and subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace out.